Hello, this is recording number 13 in the Etsy SubReddit and Quora Q&A series. And today's question comes from the Etsy SubReddit, and it was asked by Angie Foreman. Sorry. Okay, so the question is, how do you guys package items marked as a gift? And here's what he or she says. Would you package them the same as if it was just a regular non-gift shipment, or do you add anything special in with it? And what do you do with gift messages? Do you just print out the already made gift message slip and stick it in the box with the item, or do you make your own little gift tag type thing, but then just use the same gift message? This is my first gift message I've received so far. Okay, so here's what what I've done in the past. I actually got a gift sale before I was aware that Etsy had turned that on, and so I was a bit thrown by it. Fortunately, I keep tissue for wrapping, as well as wrapping paper. I love wrapping paper, so I always have wrapping paper. So I really didn't know what to do. I read up on it, and basically when someone marks an item as a gift, what that means is when you print out the invoice, it's going to print two separate invoices, one for you that has all the pricing information, and then one that's a gift invoice that doesn't have the pricing information. And you're supposed to include the gift invoice with the package so that the recipient doesn't get the pricing information because it's a gift, and the sender probably doesn't want them to know how much it costs and what have you. So what I did was, I think I overdid it just a little bit, but it was my first one and I wasn't sure, and so this is how I handled it. So I printed out the invoice. I kept the one with all the billing information, so the cost of the item, shipping, etc., for my own records. And then I included the gift invoice for the seller, for the recipient that I was sending it to. And I think technically that might have been enough because they didn't select gift wrap, which is actually a feature that you as the seller have to actually manually turn on in your shop. If you don't have gift wrapping available, or if you don't have gift wrapping enabled, then a buyer will not be able to select gift wrapping. I didn't have gift wrapping enabled, but I just felt like since it was a gift, I wanted to wrap it. So I used some of my wrapping paper and just wrapped it very nicely, and then I included a handwritten note with the message that the buyer had typed up when they made the sale. And I wrote that out, and that it was a gift. And then I also included the printed version of the message as well, and then put that in a card, wrapped it, stuck it on the package, and then packaged it in the regular shipping envelope. And that's how I sent it. You don't have to do the wrapping if you don't want to. I just did that because I didn't know what else to do. It was later on I figured out that gift wrapping was a separate thing. Now, if you do choose to turn on gift wrapping, you can charge for gift wrapping because those are supplies that cost you money. And so Etsy gives you the ability to set a price tag on how much to charge your customers to actually wrap a product that they buy from you as a gift. And I think that answers the question. Do you make your own gift tag type thing, but then just use the same gift message? So yes, I doubled up on the message and I included a handwritten note to the recipient. All right, thanks. I hope that helps.